Let's be honest, being cheated on not only sucks, but hurts as hell. Today we'll go over 7 reasons why you should not revenge cheat and why it would never work in any positive way. Essentially, revenge cheating is probably the worst thing you could do for your relationship, especially for one that has already been destabilised by your partner's cheating. And look, I get it, you've been hurt and now you want to do something about it, something that would hurt your partner the way that they hurt you. But revenge cheating is not the way, despite the fact that a lot of people think that by revenge cheating, you can somehow get even after your partner cheated on you, that you would even out the playing field and move on because you'd be on the same level, equally guilty. Man, even verbalising it makes me cringe. Don't do it. The idea of revenge cheating or doing anything remotely similar when you are angry, hurt, and don't think things through is just a dumb idea. You can't fix a broken jar by smashing it against the wall, can you? I mean, sure, you're a grown adult. You have the freedom to do whatever you want, but ask yourself, is that what you really want? What outcome are you hoping for, and is it even possible? Your partner had an affair because they wanted to. You, on the other hand, don't want to cheat. You only want to get back at your partner and hurt them like they hurt you. Does that sound healthy to you? No, I don't think so, because it's not. You shouldn't do something that you don't really want to do, especially when it comes to sex. Cheating on your partner just for the sake of getting even is wrong. Of course, cheating is always wrong. However, there's a huge difference between falling for temptation because you're attracted to someone and sacrificing your body for the sake of revenge. Who are you going to cheat with? Does it matter to you? If you're going to have sex with someone, it should be because that's what you want and you're attracted to the person. It should never be about revenge. And in all likelihood, you are probably not attracted to anyone at this point. So you're going to go out and find just anyone who's willing to sleep with you. How does that sound? Revenge cheating only makes sense to you when you're angry, hurt and upset. Your negative emotions are clouding your judgment. If you really think about what you want to do, you'll realise that you never want to cheat. You only want to hurt your partner, but you will hurt yourself in the process. Do you plan on telling your partner that you cheated on them? You probably do, otherwise it wouldn't be revenge. And then what? Your partner cheated, you cheated. What if it doesn't end there? What if it's their turn again? What if they decide to revenge cheat because you revenge cheated? And if you keep cheating on each other, why are you even in a relationship? While your partner cheats on you, there are only 2 healthy options. Either you'll forgive them or you'll end the relationship. Revenge cheating is not a third option, it's a recipe for disaster. An eye for an eye would leave the whole world blind. Don't forget that. Also, keep in mind that you have time to think about what you want and what you're going to do. Revenge cheating usually happens as an impulsive reaction to infidelity, and it ends badly for the person doing it as well as for the relationship. You are hurt and that's understandable. It's perfectly normal that you want to do something about it, but give yourself time to consider your options. If you want to stay in the relationship, give yourself time to try to forgive your partner. If you can't forgive them or don't want to stay in the relationship, end things and be the bigger person. You don't have to stoop to their level. You know what your partner did was bad, and you know how much it hurts. So how do you think you'll feel if you do the same thing and be like them? You might feel guilty and beat yourself up about what you did. You might look at things differently or feel pressured to forgive your partner. You'll almost certainly have regrets. You are trying to make peace with what happened, whether you stay in the relationship or not. Cheating on your partner won't bring you that peace. In fact, it will only make you angrier and more bitter. You'll be angry at yourself for doing it and angry at your partner for making you do it. However, keep in mind that no one's making you do this. It's your choice and you can choose not to make that mistake. When you do what your partner did, you won't hurt them. You'll do them a favour. They'll think they're off the hook and that you've shown them that you're just like them. Your partner will think that you're just proving that cheating happens and that it's not so bad to cheat. They might also pressure you to forgive them. Isn't the point of revenge cheating to get even? Well, once you've both done the same thing, what they did doesn't seem so bad. They'll tell you that they've let you cheat too, so now you have to forgive them for cheating. And maybe you don't want to forgive them or can't. It's not the same because you cheated just because they did. Otherwise you wouldn't. But they're not going to understand that and it won't matter. Don't let them justify their behaviour. Revenge cheating never works out. It only makes things worse, and there are plenty of reasons that prove that. A relationship can survive cheating, but it's much less likely after revenge cheating. Maybe you want to leave your partner so you don't care. However, you're done with the relationship. Why not simply break up with them? It will hurt them much more than the revenge cheating, and you'll come out of it as a better person. On the other hand, what if you want to try to make things work out with them? In that case, revenge cheating is the worst possible idea. It's not the way to get back on track, it's the way to doom the relationship. It sounds so simple. They cheat, you cheat, and you're back to zero. But people are not machines, and things don't work out that way. We have complicated feelings and things have consequences. If you want to make things work with your partner, let them apologise and show that they regret what they did. If you revenge cheat, they're not going to regret their affair. They'll think that you're even now. Also, they'll be more likely to do it again. Cheating causes trust issues, and when you both cheat, the trust issues are twice the size. Your relationship is not going to recover from such trust issues. You won't be able to put this behind you once you've both done it. On the contrary, you'll have twice the problems you had initially. You already can't trust your partner anymore, and this is something that will take time to change. They'll need to gain your trust again, and it will take a while. If you cheat on them too, they'll lose trust in you too. So you'll need to gain their trust again too. And when two people don't trust each other, there's no point in being in a relationship. Trust is easily lost and hard to gain back. Getting over being cheated on is difficult, whether you want to forgive your partner or not. In both cases, you could use some help in dealing with the situation. Talk to a therapist and let them tell you about healthy ways of dealing with infidelity instead of revenge cheating. If you want to work things out with your partner, try couples counselling. But for now, focus on yourself and make yourself feel better. A therapist can help you do that. Revenge cheating can't. In this situation, we recommend a relationship therapist over a traditional mental health therapist. Someone who's specialised in relationship issues have more precise advice on how to cope with your partner's cheating and what you can do to either repair the relationship or let it go. A good place to go for this sort of therapy is Relationship Hero. You'll be able to talk to a relationship expert via video, phone, or instant message. The link is in the description as always. They'll be able to help you go through this difficult period and help you come to the decision about what to do. Whatever the final outcome, having someone neutral to talk to about the situation will be great help and huge comfort. You'll be able to get everything off your chest in a safe and healthy environment. This is almost always better than venting to your friends or family, people who almost certainly add fuel to the fire because of their feelings and protectiveness over you. Alright, that is all for today. If you guys want to vent your frustration, share your experience, or just need some quick advice, you know what to do. Head down to the comments and get writing. Share the video, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.